Hello students. Today I shall begin a new chapter 2. More about Microsoft Excel. In this video I will clear two interesting features of MS Excel. First one is what is the use of conditional formatting. In that, how to highlighting the selected cells and rows. How to clear conditional formatting. Second one is charts and its types such as bar chart, column chart, 3D charts like cylinder, cone, pyramid charts, line chart and pie chart. What is the use of conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is a feature that allows us to set cell format according to conditions that we specify. Using this feature, we can make Excel display number in particular color depending on whether they are greater than, equal to or less than certain value. The condition formatting command is in the style group of the home tab. Let's learn highlighting selected cells. See the example. Suppose we want all cells greater than 2 lakh to be displayed in bold and colored pink. Steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the cells to be formatted. Step 2. Click the conditional formatting in the style group of the home tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Click Highlight Cells Rules and choose greater than. Step 4. The greater than dialog box appears. Enter the value and color with which cells that satisfy condition should be colored. Step 5. Click on OK. Result is all cells greater than 2 lakhs to be displayed in bold and colored pink. See the output. Now, how to clear conditional formatting? To clear conditional formatting, click Clear Rules in the Conditional Formatting drop-down menu. A submenu appears with two options: Clear Rules from selected cells and Clear Rules from entire sheet. Select the required option. I will click on the Clear Rules from entire sheet because I didn't selected any cells. See the result. No pink color and no bold letters. Students, do you know how to highlight selecting rows? See the example in which we want rows with total marks greater than 210 to be colored green. See the steps. Step 1. Select the range C2 to H11. Since we want to highlight the rows, we are selecting the whole table. Step 2. Click New Rules in the Conditional Formatting drop-down menu. The New Formatting Rule dialog box appears. Step 3. On the Select a Rule type box, click Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Step 4. In Format Value, where this formula is true box, type is equal to $H2 colon H11 greater than sign 210. Here, don't give $sign before the row number. Step 6. Click Format. The Format Cell dialog box appears. Click the Fill tab. Choose a green as a background color and click OK. Step 7. We will see the new Formatting Rule dialog box again. Click OK. See the output. The rows with total marks greater than 210 displayed with green background color. Students, do you know what is charts in Excel? What are charts? A pictorial representation of data in a worksheet is called chart. Charts are visually appealing and make it easy for user to see comparison and analyze data. In Excel, a chart may appear as a separate sheet or may be embedded in the worksheet. A chart sheet is accessed using a worksheet tab. Let's discuss types of charts. Before creating a chart, we have to decide which kind of chart is most appropriate for the data to be presented graphically. The main types of charts are discussed in this video. First, bar chart. Bar chart are one of the most common type of graph used to display data. See the picture of bar chart. To draw this, we should have data of 11th and 12th students. Class 12th mark represented in red color. Class 11th mark represented in blue color. First two bar represent social study marks. Red bar is greater than the blue. So, 12th student's mark is more than the 11th. Long bar is in the math subject, that is in red. It's near to 100. Smallest bar is in Hindi, blue color, means 11th class. So, by seeing this bar chart, we can easily compare 11th and 12th class marks. Bar chart are most often used to show amounts or the number of times a value occurs. The amounts are displayed using the horizontal bar. The longer the bar, the greater number of times the value occurs. Bar chart make it easy to see the differences in the data being compared. Column chart. A column chart shows changes in data over a period of time, or it illustrates comparison among the items. In this chart, comparison among the subjects. In this chart, subjects are organized horizontally and marks vertically. See the chart. Each column starts from x-axis. Every column compares one subject to another. Here, English marks in highest position and lowest is Hindi. Means column chart are useful when the height of the individual point is more important than the trend in the series. Cylinder, cone and pyramid charts. Column chart have various subtypes. Cylinder, cone and pyramid charts give dramatic 3D effect. See the picture of cylinder chart. Second one, cone chart. Next one, pyramid chart. It gives the 3D effect. Line chart. See the diagram of line chart. In this chart, we understand 12th class mark is highest than the 11th class in every subject. Line charts are often used to plot changes in data over a time, such as monthly temperature changes or daily changes in stock market prices. They can also be used to plot data recorded from scientific experiments. Similar to most of other graphs, line graph have vertical axis and a horizontal axis. Pie chart. Pie charts are used to plot only one variable at a time, As a result, it can only be used to show percentages. In this chart, we created only 11th class chart at a time. The circle of pie chart represents 100%. The circle is subdivided into slices representing data values. In this chart, different subjects represented with different slice and colors. The size of each slice shows what part of the 100% it represents. Pie chart is very useful to show companies' different monthly profit or different years' profit. Students, I think all are clear about the conditional formatting, charts and its few types. If so, don't forget to press the like button. Next video, I will come with many more different charts with different styles. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.